Let's start our morning tour here in Medjugorje. It's raining today, one of the last day of rain. And then there will be the period coming. I see it already on the weather forecast, very hot, 30 degrees Celsius, no more rain. And let's get together, going and into town. Look, pilgrims are here. And we start our tour here, morning tour here in Medjugorje. As you can see, it's raining. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the videos on social media, on Facebook, wherever you can, on Twitter, on WhatsApp, and give a like and leave comments from where you're watching. I love to hear from you. And we are going up the road. There is St. James Church. There is the post office. Oh, actually, I need to go to the post office, so we'll make a little break here. I put my bike here and I have to ask a question about the internet. I did the job with the internet, and let's keep on going on our morning tour here in Medjugorje. This is the bus station. This is the bakery. And we are going direction Old Town of Medjugorje. There's a new supermarket here. Then you have Consum, DM market for hygienic products, and Namex. Let's go into Old Town Medjugorje now. In the rain, Medjugorje in the rain. There's another way going here. We have the fig trees, and then you will see again the old town of Medjugorje, which is in here a little bit. You can get a glimpse of it. And we are keeping going on because there is Cross Mountain over there, St. James Church coming up over there. You have the pensions, the vineyards of Medjugorje. See, very quiet this morning. You can also go down this way to St. James Church. We're going to do that now. There's a coffee shop over there, and then you have the back of the church over there, coffee shop here, but we are going to go this way. You have the back of the church over here. The parking is over there. The back of the church here, the outdoor altar you can see over there. But we are keeping our tour on this side. There's an English car. You see rain in Medjugorje, one of the last days with the rain. Let's see what's going on at the church. This should be the end of the Italian Mass, I think. We will see. Yes. And we have Our Lady, beautiful as always, over there. Our Lady in the rain. Going like this, that you can see her fully. And we are going to keep on going on our tour here in Medjugorje. So you got another entrance to the church on this side. And we are going to keep on going on this way. Going a bit down this road, you have famous burrito over here. Irish Center. And the best ice cream in town is at Homemade Cranberry Gelato. I'm going back this way. It's again Irish Center, Tomato, nice restaurant in Medjugorje. Then we have here restaurants. And we keep going in that direction. Let's keep on going with our tour here in the rain in Medjugorje. And there you have a new restaurant and coffee. So, and then we are coming to the school, which is over here. And entering the lane to the museum, which is over here. So. And you have the 12 o'clock bells of Medjugorje. Here is the museum on the left. You have shops on the right. There's a barber shop here. Oh, yeah. Then the pizzeria. And the museum. This is the new museum. And the shop of the museum is over here. And the 12 o'clock bells of Medjugorje. Let's go to here and listen to them. Hi. And we keep on going with our tour here in Medjugorje in the rain. Let's go up the hotel lane. All right. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the videos on social media, make Medjugorje known, and give a like and leave comments from where you are watching. And I wish you a beautiful day from rainy Medjugorje. I pray for you and all your intentions, known and unknown. Please pray for me as well. And God bless you all from Medjugorje.